Hi guys. Okay, as you can see, we have a little bit of a different setup. I have some stuff in the background. This is where I have all of my headbands hanging right here, and then I moved a table right here so I could have a little extra space. But today we're going to be unboxing the boxyluxe for the month of June. This is what it looks like. Boxyluxe is a $50 subscription that comes every 3 months. And to receive boxyluxe, you do have to be signed up for Boxycharm. So what it is you sign up for Boxycharm and you'll receive Boxycharm 8 months out of the year, and then in 4 months you'll receive boxyluxe. Now, let's just get started. Yes, I will be unboxing Boxycharm on my channel. I always do. So, let me just cut this open. I'm very, very excited to see what's in here. I have no idea. I have not done anything with it. This is one of my favorite subscriptions. So, you open it up and it says, "Hello Charmer, Boxycharm." And then you open it completely up and that's what it looks like. Let's pull out the card, and the card says Boxycharm Getaway. It looks like that. And on the back, it's got everything inside, plus the full-size value, and a little bit about the product. So we'll get that in a minute. Let me pull out the first thing I see, which is by Living Proof. This is the Full Dry Volume Blast, instant lasting volume and texture. I am super excited about this. I am happy I got this. It says, use before each spray, shake can well, hold canister 10 inches away from dry hair, section hair, lift and spray roots to end. Repeat until desired style is achieved. Make sure to shake can between each sprays. Tousle hair with fingers, spray and finish style for extra texture and hold. So it's going to give you a lot of volume to your hair, which my hair always needs, but it's also going to help not very much with the oils, but a little bit. But Living Proof is an expensive brand. Let's see how much this retails for. I'm actually excited about this. Living Proof Full Dry Volume Bar, $29. That's not terrible, but it's not something I would pay, so I'm happy I got this. Now, let's just pull up the next thing I see, which is by No Problem. It's the Prime Essence. Looks like that. We did get something from No Problem before, so what exactly is this? So it's a primer, but it looks like this. It's a little squeezy tube. Okay, it's a very liquidy primer. So I'm assuming this is going to be like a pore filling primer, but a very less thick and silicone-y, because you can see it's very liquidy. Doesn't have a smell. It's very, very lightweight, but it is very like soft. So it does have the silicone in it. I'm pretty excited about that. That is like, it just blended out to nothing. But it's like very soft and kind of tacky. That'll be really nice to use. I'm very excited about that. Let's see how much that retails for. The Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence retails for $23. Let's open this. Okay, and then the next thing I see is right here. It's by PYT. And I love the little bag it comes in. This is super cute. Let's open this up. Okay, it's a blow dryer, a mini blow dryer. We got previously, back in December, I think, a mini straightener from PYT, and now they've given us a mini blow dryer. I got mine in like a purpley shade. I love this. My dog is attempting to stick her head in the box, and I'm sorry if you hear background noise too. My cat, we got a kitten recently, and it took my cat like 2 days to get used to her. And then now they're bestest friends, and they just play 24/7. It's kind of the cutest thing, but it's kind of annoying when I'm trying to film. But this is what I got. So it's just got like a regular little plug-in. And then it comes with, oh my gosh, it comes with a mini diffuser to fit on it, and like a mini straightening diffuser thing. They smell like new plastic, but it even comes with a little travel bag. I'm pretty excited about this. I will be traveling here in August, and this will be perfect to fit in my suitcase. So, really excited about that. Oh my gosh, I cannot get this back in the bag. Let's see how much that retails for. PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. $85. Yeah, that's insane. I would not pay $85 for that, but I'm happy I got it. I love the color too. Let's just move this little thing and pull the next thing I see. Dr. Brandt. This is the Biotic Balancing Complex Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. Ooh, I love Dr. Brandt's products, and their cleanser, I've used their like scrubs. Oh my gosh, they're so good. Oh, it's safety sealed. I'm not gonna open it. Oh, what the heck happened back here? Look at this. It's like, you're not gonna be able to see. Let me move a light. Look at that, guys. What the heck is that? You see that? Like a color rubbed off on it because it's got like black staining on it. That is kind of gross. But I'm pretty excited about this. I love cleansers. You can never have too many. Let's see how much that retails for. $35. Yeah, Dr. Brandt is pretty expensive, but like all the products I've tried, I've loved. So I have this one piece of hair in the back that never lays how it's supposed to. Okay, let's pull out the next thing, which is by, ooh, I'm really excited about this. This is by Dominique Cosmetics, and it's, what is it? I've never tried anything from her brand, but I've always wanted to. It's in the shade Peach Tea. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's open this up. Come on, come on, come on. I wanted to try her eyeshadow palettes for a long time. Oh, that packaging is really pretty. It's like light pastel pink. It says lemonade on it. Let's open this up. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells like cupcakes. Ooh, it's a gloss. Okay. It's a very light pinky shade. Looks like that. I am very excited about this. I love lip glosses. Ooh, and it snaps shut. I'm really excited about that. We have a rascal trying to get in the box. This is Shadow. Shadow, can you say hi? Shadow. She's trying to sit in the box. So I'm very excited about that. I've wanted to try Dominique Cosmetics shadows for a long time, but I'm happy we got a lip product from her. Let's see how much that retails for. Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, $17. Not very many products left, but let's grab up the next thing. This is by Christie, which looks like this. What is this? How to use pull-off clear cap to access half curler. Press down along lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Move across lashes to get desired curl. Twist off cap for volumizing mascara. Apply as desired. Use curler and mascara together to curve lashes up to 186%. What the heck is this? What? This is a lash curler. So you put your lashes in there and then you push this and it curls them. What? And then you twist this part off, which I'm not gonna do it, but you twist this off and it's a mascara wand. What the heck? That is insane. I'm peeling the sticker off. I've never heard of anything like that. I will definitely have to give this a try because I love to know how this curls your lashes. Like, look. That's a mini lash curler, and you just go along your lash line. That is, oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like that. That is pretty cool. Let's see, but this is a very bulky packaging because it's got to fit the lash curler. Like, look at this packaging. That's really bulky, though. But let's see how much that retails for. I've never heard of anything like that. It's the Christie Good Vibes Mascara. Retails for $25. That's pretty pricey, but it comes with the lash curler, so that's, I guess. Okay, so we have 3 products left. The next product, ooh, okay. I'm really excited about this. This is by Skin & Co. It's the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist Radiant Dew. I have been wanting this. I seen it came in a FabFitFun, and I didn't get this season's FabFitFun. And I've been wanting this so much. Oh, the mister, and it smells like peppermint. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And it just gives your skin a dew to it. I love a dewy setting spray, like, every day. I love a good dew to my skin. I love setting sprays. I love face sprays. They are amazing. Setting sprays, primer sprays, facial sprays, just any sprays, right up my alley. Let's see how much that retails for. Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist retails for $35. A little pricey, but I'm happy to have. You guys, can you believe I don't have any foundation on today? Second to last thing is by Pharmacy, which I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. This is the Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Okay, it's paraben-free, formaldehyde donor free, synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, and cruelty free. It looks like that. I love the packaging with like the little honeycomb on it, and then the bottom's got like honeycombs on it. Let's open this up. Come on. Okay. Ooh, okay. It's like a frosted glass bottle. It looks like this. It looks like this. Let's pull this off. Okay, I like that it's a pump for a serum. I mean, I love a good serum. This has honey in it, and honey's supposed to be really beneficial to your skin. You guys, I'm really excited about that. I love skincare. Anything skincare, yes, please. Serums especially, I love putting in like a nice serum on your skin to hydrate it is perfect. Let's see how much that retails for. The Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum, 30 milliliters, retails for $58. Holy cow, $58, you guys. And that is insane. But not least is by Tarte. This is the Tarte High Performance Neutrals Tartiste Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette. It says Glow Level Extreme. Let's open this up. Okay. Looks like this, just black packaging with gold lettering. Ooh, okay, okay. And it looks like this. I am pretty excited about this. I love a good highlighter. Ooh, okay, what I love most is one blush is matte and one bronzer is matte because I have, let me grab it, the Tartiste Pro Glow and Blush one, and it comes with a bronzer in it, but the bronzer is only shimmery, and all the blushes are really shimmery. So I like that the one I just got today has a matte blush and a matte bronzer. So those are the two side by side. I'm not going to swatch this one for you just because I do already have one and I'm not, oh, I got really close to the camera. Not sure if I want to keep this. I might put this in a giveaway, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But again, I will show you up close. Those are the colors. So we have Premier, Headliner, Autograph, Dance Floor, A-Lister, and Backstage. So those are all the shades. Both blushes, in my opinion, look matte. So you have two matte blushes, two highlighters, and two bronzers, but one is shimmery. I'm really excited about this. Let's see how much this retails for. Tarte Tartiste Pro Glow Cheek Palette Volume 3 retails for $45, which is pretty typical for Tarte. But I'm actually pretty excited to get that is all. If you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will have the link at the top of the description down below. It is a referral link, so signing up, we would both get a free product or points, depending on what it is for this month. But that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys get Boxyluxe. If you do, let me know what you guys got down below. If not, is it something you'd be interested in getting? You know, what, do you have questions about it? Do you get Boxycharm? Let me know down below. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you are not already subscribed, do so down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you, you can follow me on all my social media down below. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter.